Alrighty, this is a little bit different of stuff that I usually make, but today I figured I might as well show you, just in case it helps someone out. Hopefully it will. DC to AC power inverter. It's pure sine wave. If you're interested in getting this one, you can. It works good. Comes with pretty much everything you need to do everything with, if you have the space. But I'll show you what I mean. So this guy connects right to the battery of your car, and then you'll be good to go. Charge your batteries, your phone, all that good stuff, wherever you may like it. In my case, I have all the connections in the back here, and I'll show you just a second where those come from. But all these are in the back. It's kind of hard to see right here, but here's your red and your black right from the battery. And right on this side here is where you'll have all your connections and your screen to see all the, to see what it's doing and all that good stuff. I'll actually turn the van on right now so you can kind of have an idea on what that looks like. But really it just lights up showing you your input and your output for what you got. So I'll just turn her on here. Actually, the switch is off in the back, so I'm sorry. But that'll light up. You're really not seeing much. But that's on me. The switch is actually connected already. So, which I will get to. And that gray cord right there is the switch. So you can turn it off and on from wherever that's connected. In my case right now, that's off. So that bypasses the switch on the side here. Which is that little red switch. Right in the middle of those wires. And you'll see your connections right there. I have one used for that orange extension cord. But anyways, I'll show you under the hood here in a second. So I have mine connected right underneath the seat here. There's the red and the blacks on its own terminal back there. Kind of hard to see right now, but it's right in the back. Alrighty. Now we're in the back of the van, and that's where that extension cord came out from the front. That's plugged right into the inverter, and that just kind of hides way down there. And this is let me put this on my head so I don't have to, I can do this sort of nicely for you. This is the 3 output, so I just use this if I really need to. I have plenty of slack, so if I need to, use it way over there for whatever reason, I can reach. Don't really have to. I don't really have too much in here to run it off of right now, just because I hooked it up today. But it works, and this is the switch that it came with. Let me see if I can zoom out for you. I don't think I can, but this is the switch for it. It came with it. Very easy to hook up. Just plug it in, put it where you want, and the van's off right now, but it'll still hold charge. Like so. You'll see what it's the input from your battery and the output that it's at right now. I had it charged up a little bit today, but as you can see now, there's power going to this extension cord, and you can plug something in and use it. And I will just show you that it actually works. I usually like putting my fan back here so I don't die in the super hot days. So I can do this with one hand. I'll plug that in like so. There you go, that's plugged in now. All the way over here, I'll plug this bad boy in. And you got power, baby. You can see what it's doing. It's not really drawing too much. But there you go. And just make sure, remember to always remember to turn it off whenever you're not using it. That way your battery doesn't die. That'll stink. But yeah, that's show you the box here. So if you really wanted to copy what I have, you can get the same one. Just pure sine, so 3,000 watt. Comes with everything you need in it. And that is it's honestly so much better than having to deal with the ones that just go directly into the cigarette outlet. or whatever you want to call it. You know what I'm talking about. But these just, they're okay. This is actually a good one if you didn't want to do this. Well, not sponsored, but go get this one if you really want. I had this mounted right in front to the center console, but it's nice being able to have it back here. And I'm most likely back here more than the front anyway. I know whenever I'm working, so it's nice to be able to control it from here. And yeah, so that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Hope that helped.